What if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, someone just made $500 with zero effort, using AI? No meetings, no boss, no punching in, just smart systems working 24/7 while they dream. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can earn you real money while you sleep. Tools that run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on Christmas. Passive income in 2025? It's real. And it's automated. Tool number 1, Opus Clip. Viral video repurposing content is king. But short-form content? That's the king on steroids. Opus Clip takes your long YouTube video, podcast, or Zoom call and turns it into 10-15 viral-ready short clips automatically. You can sell this service on Fiverr, Upwork, or even run your own content agency. Want to go solo? Repurpose popular free-to-use content and grow your own TikTok or Reels channel. Income potential: $50-$300 per client, per project, 24/7. Factor: Opus Clip runs in the cloud. Start the job, go to sleep, and wake up with downloads ready. Tool number 2, ChatGPT plus Notion AI. Your auto-writer agency, AI writing is more than a trend. It's a business. With ChatGPT and Notion AI, you can build a 24/7 content agency that never sleeps. Sell blog posts, scripts, product descriptions, and email templates, all written by AI. Add Zapier automations and schedule delivery so you don't even need to be online. Startups and small businesses need this. You provide it. AI delivers. Income potential: $100 to $500 per day, agency model. Sleep factor: schedule, automate, repeat. Passive. Tool number 3, Leonardo.ai or Midjourney. Sell AI art, 24/7. While you sleep, your designs can be making you money on Etsy, Redbubble, or even as NFTs. Leonardo.ai and Midjourney let you create stunning visuals in seconds. Posters, wall art, t-shirts, digital planners, all designed once and sold over and over. Set up an online store. Use automation tools for pricing, uploads, and order fulfillment. Income potential: $50-$300 day with volume plus niche targeting. Bonus: print on demand. Zero inventory. Tool number 4, Crypto AI trading bots, Pionex 3. Crypto doesn't sleep, and neither do AI bots. Platforms like Pionex and 3 offer grid trading bots that buy low, sell high, 24/7. You set the rules, and the bot follows them non-stop. Yes, crypto is risky, but with the right strategies and limit controls, bots can generate consistent passive income. Income potential: highly variable, from $5 day to $500 day depending on investment. Note: not financial advice. Start small, test, then scale. Tool number 5, AI-powered niche blogs, Koala Plus, WordPress, Plus, Rank Math. Build it once, let it rank forever. AI blogging is the secret weapon of passive income pros. Tools like Koala Writer and ChatGPT help you generate SEO blog posts in seconds. Upload them on WordPress. Optimize with Rank Math. Add affiliate links. Done. Your site keeps earning 24/7, even when you're on vacation. Income potential: $302,000 a month after 3 to 6 months. Bonus: Google traffic grows over time. The sooner you start, the better. Want to go next level? Combine them. Use ChatGPT to write a blog. Use Opus Clip to turn it into shorts. Add affiliate links to both. You now have a fully automated content ecosystem, running 24/7 with almost zero human input. That's not just passive income. That's smart income. These AI tools are your digital employees. They don't sleep, they don't complain, and they don't ask for raises. All they need is a smart boss. That's you. So if you're serious about making money while you sleep, hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below with Sleep Hustle, and I'll send you a free Notion tracker to start your 24/7 money machine. This is Crypto AI Hustle, where machines work and you rest rich.